I have to show the different type of ugliness and the cuteness. This no, won't even get wet.
Okay, Marie does know. So on TikTok again, there is a young lady who did a video breaking down the different types of attractiveness. So you know what? Just listen to what she said.
I don't like pretty man not for pretty man for look like them and go through struggles and tribulation. Like God, that a God's strongest soldier. I don't like pretty man. I don't like the light skin them too. My man for dark like Duppy and Tar. I love black ugly man. I not even say ugly, but you have to look like you got through little struggles. You understand? I'm already pretty. I'm a pretty nice, sweet and everything. And me for add a little nice and still. So when people look upon me and you must say, Bumba, I'm polar. Exactly. And me have to be the brightness. Your good night. Your good morning. I don't like pretty man. Pretty man a problem. Them give too much problem. Everybody, oh, him cute. Them not look on my man were ugly. And even them not look on my man now ugly. Them not really take ear and say, oh, I'm gonna talk to him. So me love the ugly man them. Send them.
You know, so the Dahlia, she is something else. My girl says she basically depend on Beauty and the Beast settings. Like she likes to be the rose in the middle of the thorns. Like she's not about the little pretty palm pretty. Like she don't want that. Like if she is going to be muy linda, then the person must be muy feo. But remember, I'm Spanish. Jesus, I'm crying. I feel like say my Spanish teacher will be proud of me for that. But no, me never have, like completely. So on top of that now, when some people wanted her to continue the conversation now, she started to define something, a concept such as medium ugly, and she chose to go and call up Skillibeng. Take a listen.
Talk about skilly ugly. To me, skilly look good. Man like this, my love. You have to look rough. Just like this. You have to look like life lick your one side, left side, upside, down side.
Looks up. Jesus Christ, I think we need a filter.
Man like this, my love. Cause a pretty girl like me by your side. Come on. Everybody say, oh, impose she, but don't you see? Man, I even talk about because of the fame. But like man like this me talk to. Him look too black though. Me forgot give him like a little scrub, put like a coconut oil and everything. Me fix up that. But my man, my type. Man, I like cute man. I'm not gonna show you what is cute man. Me not like them. Shit like this. Now, why your ear have longer than mine? That's one. Two, you're too pretty. Me and you not fear compete in the face speech. No, sir. Me can't go for that. Too pretty. Peer back a girl go want you. Me not have time for this. My head already hot already. Can't be hot again. Me not like cute man. And this is an example. Cute man with long ear. Look at him eye. He must squinch it up like him cute. Her. Boy, bye. I don't like cute man. I'm sorry.
Wow. Jesus. No, the girl says Skillibeng could get it any day, every hour upon the hour, like Zip FM back in the day. But yeah, so she then broke down now this concept of what she considered too fair for her. Like, yeah, and she got call up she called up Skeng's name. Take a listen.
This, me draw the line at. You can't too. I don't know. Maybe I have growing into you if you look so. But this, no.
Jano.
You have to be a certain type of ugly. And the ugly are too much for me. The ugliest is sin. Jesus forgive me. But no, sir. Jesus forgive me. But no, sir. I probably will talk to you because you have little money just for use your butt. You not going nowhere. But this uglier? No, sir. I'm sorry.
No, honestly, like, I never know that there were categories to attractiveness like this. But the girl, she said this is for her preference. And so, leave her to that. But burritos, do you agree with her? Like, you know, for the ladies them watching, do you prefer to be the more attractive, you know, one in your own dynamic? Sound up below.